Time to get shit going. Just got the valve cover off. It's right here. Had to block the head ports. Where are the head ports? These ones right here? This one's on the little side. So I'm doing the full external PCV with the fire gas catch cans. Gotta block those head ports. And once we do that, we're gonna do the front main seal. And you can put the valve cover on too. And then we're gonna try to port this a bit. Get rid of the lip on the inside. Yes, sir. We were just looking at the motor and we forgot about stripped studs I had on here. It's 1, 2, 3. So fucked up. We're gonna try to weld this nut to it and then take it off. No, I mean all 3 of those we have to. And these had Loctite on them too. A lot of them came loose though. But just those 3 are fucked up. The fuck? It's like grease on it. This is how you do the head ports. Yes, sir. There's 4 of them, right?
No, 5. Or 6. What are you talking about?
Oh, it's 1 for each.
Yeah, 1 for each.
So we got all these drilled out. We just need to go get some Loctite so you can put the block offs on. Now we're just doing the front main seal before we go to the store. So look at this other issue we figured out, which is kind of fucked up. This is the bolt for the feed line. Strip the fuck out. Like it's all the way in. Strip the fuck out. God damn, my homie fucked this motor up. Or maybe it was the previous owner, I don't know. But we'll figure it out. Get a bigger bolt or top a, well, time serve like the head studs. Yes, sir. Damn, you see the homie's merch? Sheesh. Just put the pulleys on and the tensioner. Homie's finishing the head ports. It's all done? Yes, sir. The valve cover can go fully on. Shit, it's looking like a real motor now. Yes, sir. Getting ready to torque these down? Yes, sir. Final assembly for the valve cover. Man, the homie's about to get down. Try to weld on these nuts under the studs and pull them off. Let's see. Pray they don't snap. Fuck. God, I'm not gonna film it. Damn, it's Ruben built for real, G. Homie got all 3. All you need is a little welder and some elbow grease. Shit. Yeah, we were not down to leave those on. Not the move at all. Now we just need to figure out what we're gonna do for this on the bottom. We're probably just gonna go get a Healy coil and retap it. Yup. Get in there. Damn, I had to throw that red harmonic balancer back on. This shit's clean. Oh fuck, almost just tripped on my manifold. Sheesh. Shit's coming together. This will. It's finally off the stand, guys. Cannot believe it. It's been a long time coming. Looking like this weekend the motor will go in the car. And maybe like another week and we'll get it started. I need to get the homie that helped me build the motor, Ryan, to come wire the Reflex. And he's gonna be tuning the car too. It's gonna go with another big tuner, but my buddy works at a dyno shop and he's been tuning his M240. He's gonna tune his 135i on max ECU. And all the people at the shop just said why he's like not tuning my car if he built it and did everything. So yep, getting that full Ryan spec built motor and tune. That custom single turbo top mount, the DCT. Got my PI manifold in here. Yes sir, I'm ready to boogie. I don't know if I've showed you guys either. I got the B58 coil packs by the Elder B58 coils. And then I'm gonna be running B58 spark plugs. And yeah, it's been a long time coming. Just sitting on the subframe. I just went to Harbor Freighter and bought these little carts. That's what the trans on. That's what the trans is on too. Super dope. And yeah, we just put this under the water pump because this pulley was just sitting on the subframe and it's kind of not good. Yeah, this thing is looking so good. Got the jack fabs heat shield on. I bought some like heat wrap for the feed and drain line. Looking real nice. And the homie just repainted the manifold. And we bored out the inside of where the wastegate goes and then the flange for the turbo. So yep, we're all ready now. It's gonna be a insane moment once this first turns on. Cannot wait. Yes, sir. Sheesh, we gotta connect the tranny. Did you take the bolt out for the starter? Damn, these came in clutch, bro. It's literally lined up already.
Nigga, I got a fucking carrier right now.
Do we
you
need
not see me to carry the transmission?
A little bit. Should we put something under
Superman.
it? That's cool. Yes, sir. About to go back in its home. Damn, we about to just pull it up in. Sheesh. Damn, guys. It's been a long time coming. Finally can see the finish line. So close. Engine is fully in. Just mocking up a few things over here. Nothing's really fully installed. The PI manifold, charge pipe and all that. Still need to have new studs for the intake manifold. Need to install those and then that will go on. Do like the wiring harness under there. But damn, whole front end's on. Got the intercooler right here. It's gonna go on soon. Right now I'm just waiting for gonna get upgraded oil cooler lines, and I need to get a new drain line for the turbo, because the one that came with the dock race kit I got is way too short, like 3 inches too short, which is pretty annoying, but it is what it is. Getting that sorted at the same time, because the same place can make that line that does the oil cooler lines. So that'll be here probably tomorrow. My buddy's gonna go grab it for me. And yeah, can't believe the engine is in. Shit is crazy. Looks so damn good. I have this other little project I've been doing the last few days. I got my rotors resurfaced the other day, and then just repainted the center part. Just primered them and then just like a flat black. Looks really nice. Just need to install the rears fully. Just put this on right now. I need to put the bracket on and the caliper. Yep. And I got my wheels with the tires mounted. You got a crazy setup I'm trying to run this time. These are 255/40 in the front, 275/40 in the back. And these are Mickey Thompson's Street SS. So I'm gonna have plenty of grip. And these are the ML10 Apexes, but they're not real Apex. Yep, looking so good. And they're all fully ceramic coated, ready to go. And my buddies came yesterday, installed my axles to the diff, both sides. That's done. Now I got the B58 coil packs. I don't know if I've showed them. Bracket and B58 elder coils. And I got B58 spark plugs over here. So yeah, just waiting to put that on because I need to pull the injectors again. Some of the decoupler things on them, like the little metal clips, were messed up. So my homie said it was smarter to just get new ones now. Not have to worry about it. So I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. And yeah, we're getting super close. Just waiting for my buddy to send me a DCT harness for the shifter. Goes from the shifter to the sport button, and then it goes all the way to the DME up here. And right here I got the Reflex Plus for the port injection. And that will be controlling my port injection and what else? The fuel pumps, stage fuel pump, no more hub switch bullshit. And yeah, just messing with my PCV setup a little bit. I have a full custom setup that my buddy told me about. Once I finish it, I'll make a video on it probably, because it's pretty high tech, if you want to say. Just got the check valve right here, got all radium fittings. It's gonna look so nice. But yup, didn't skip out on any part of this build. It's gonna be a monster. Yes, sir. Next video for sure will be the first start. And we can just start doing the little break-in. Should be pretty quick. And we'll be shooting some boost through this motor. See what kind of power we can make. I'll definitely be on the dyno at some point at the homie's shop, which you guys have seen in my old or other videos. And I haven't really announced it much, but my buddy Ryan that helped me build the motor is gonna end up tuning the car. Just makes the most sense. He works at a dyno shop, has a lot of help from the owner of the dyno shop's been doing it for like 20 plus years, 25 years. And they're really good at tuning. So any help that he would need, it's all right there. He just tuned his M240 B58. And it's one of the fastest stock turbo cars around. And he's gonna tune his 135 once it's done. But he's on max ECU, so it's a little different, but he's down to do the stock DME stuff with me. Get this thing pushing. Yes, sir. Appreciate all you guys staying along for this long journey, but I think it was all worth it in the end. It's only been like 10 months only. But shit, it takes time to do shit right. It's a full rebuild, like nothing on here is used from the last setup, except maybe this. And I guess the charge pipe and the coolant reservoir, but it's pretty much a whole new setup. DCT and everything. Alright, I'll catch y'all guys soon. And yeah, yes sir.